Hello everyone, welcome back to Delicious Kitchen. Today I am unboxing the Tefal Dual Easy Fry Flex Air Fryer. Yes, that is an unboxing we are doing today. But before we open it, let us look at the few things that are very important to know before buying any air fryer. First, the size. Think about how many people you'll be cooking for. Small ones are good for 1 to 2 people. Bigger ones are better for families. Second, the basket type. Some have 1 basket, others have 2. Dual basket lets you cook different food at the same time. Third, the power. More power can cook faster. Extra features can make cooking easier, At last, the price. Air fryer comes with different prices range, so choose one that you fit your budget and your needs, of course. So, all right, let's open it and see what is inside. Yes, now we are opening it together. You can see how well packed it is. I must say, if this one happens to fall on the floor, nothing will happen to what is inside there. The air fryer is well packed, well covered. Let me turn it around for you to see. I believe this is the front. This is the front. I've just removed the top, and I also found this packet inside it. Let's see what it contains. What are these? These are not papers alone. Yes, I can see here they gave some ideas and how to also use it, how to use the air fryer. And I can see it came with all those things I'm bringing out. There are 3 in numbers. I've just brought out one now. Look at this one. This one is even bigger and flat. And this is the third one. We are all going to figure it together what they are there for. Let me first of all remove this paper. You can see how they covered everything. Look at the cable. That is the cable, and it came with the instruction manuals in different languages. You can see what I'm about to remove now. That is also for covering the air fryer very well. Look at this package. If this very one is not removed, there is no how this air fryer can be opened. This is well sealed. Okay, look at the compartment. Can you see how big it is? This is 2 in 1. Yes, now I can understand why we have this plate there. This is like the basket down of it, and this is for the other side. And the third one that you can see here is for demarcating it. Let's say I'm making chicken at one side and I can be air frying my fries at the other side. That means I can bake 2 in 1. And I can also set it to different settings. Look at how they cover the front. I thought I'm looking at everything, but now that I plucked it, that is the original face of it. The first one we're looking at was just to cover that glass there. This is amazing. You can see what we have here. I can always set each compartment to how I want it. 1 to 200, the other one to 100 centigrade. Look out for the next upload, then you will see how it works. Thanks for watching.